Shey una don hear the news say inflation don fall from 34.8% to 24.28%. For una wey no go school, or una wey no finish school, or una wey go school but don't forget everything, or if you go school and no do economics, make I quickly shalaye wetin be inflation. Now imagine say you go market last month go buy yam, and that yam na 2,000 naira. This month you go market to go buy that same yam, the same weight, the same height, the same everything, but now that yam don cost 5,000 naira. That difference for the price na wetin they call inflation. E mean say your money no get value again. E mean say your money don return to paper. So as at December last year 2024, the inflation rate na 34.8%, but that figure dey high well. I sure say una feel am sef. When I dey school, dem tell us say any inflation rate wey dey higher than 7%, wahala dey be that. UK own for February wey just pass 2025 na 3%, US own na 2.8%, Canada own na 1.9% for January, and Ghana own na 23.5%. So December we na 34.8%. Obviously wahala dey.